Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with this really fun, fresh and fruity nail polish kit from SunCoat Products, and I'm really excited to try this out. It is super cute. It's great if you have little kids because these nail polishes, not only do they smell fruity, but they are water-based, and each bottle is made up of 70% water, and there's no harsh chemicals or fumes or anything like that, which is awesome. And then there is this plant-based nail polish remover as well, which is no chemicals, and it's really awesome. I really like the bottle, and it has that little pump dispenser on there, which is awesome. So super awesome. And you get a lot of products in that nail polish remover. And then there's also these really pretty nail polishes as well. And the colors that they have to offer are great. So you have, like, this one right here is a soft coral, which is more of like a neutral nudie color. And it has the most beautiful pearl shimmer to it. And it's very awesome. And again, these nail polishes are 70% water, which is crazy, right? And this one right here is fun and vibrant. It's this beautiful, bright, rich, radiant blue, which is going to be perfect for Memorial Day or 4th of July. And then we have this really elegant color here. It's a beautiful purple. It's called Romance, and it is just the most gorgeous purple here. It's more of like a lilac purple, and it is pretty, and I cannot wait to try those. But for today's mani, we are going to be trying out these fun fruity polishes. So this is the kit, and then it also came with these adorable flowers. And then here are all the nail polishes. So we're going to make a set of press-ons today, and I'm so excited to try these colors. So this is the first color that we're going to be using here, and I really like how these polishes are performing, and they're super buildable. So you can do one coat if you just want like a sheer shimmer coverage, or you can build these up. So that first color we used was like a fruity scent, kind of smelled like pineapple, and then that lighter color that we used smells like bubblegum. So they have no really harsh scents to them at all. That fruity scent is just a very light fragrance, but it does not smell like your normal nail polish, which I'm completely in love with. And these are very user-friendly and kid-friendly as well. They are safe to use because they have that 70% water in them. And also these fun fruity ones, you do not need to use any nail polish remover. You can peel it right off, which is super fun. Okay, so now that we completed the nail polish, I want to add some of these fun flowers to this mani. So this is just super fun for kids because you have these bright, fun, fruity colors. They smell good, and then you can add some really cute floral stickers to the mani as well. And these stickers are really fun, and they're just a way to brighten up that mani. So I really like these colors together too with these flowers. I mean, any color that you use in this kit are really going to be fun and shimmery. They all have like this pearl shimmer base like you see here, and they all have a scent to them. And then look at those flowers. They're just so fun and cute. But I really like this kit, and I think these flowers are just a nice touch to this mani, and this is what the finished mani looks like. But I definitely am excited to try more of the products from SunCoat Products. And if you like those natural nail polishes or water-based, these are going to be your jam. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next upload.